Welcome to IVDN's Good Morning World. In the US, protest is going on against the anti-Asian attacks. Recently, many whites have attacked different races in America, and the latest one was the Asians. There is a genuine reason for the hatred on Asians occurred across the world, especially against the Chinese or the people who look like Chinese. The victims, unfortunately, are the Koreans. The Koreans resembles the appearance of a Chinese, and that has invited or confused the attackers from Chinese, and they have been attacked brutally. What they do is that they buy a gun and with specific targets and attack the victims wherever they have gathered. So the potential or the trigger of this issue is that the pandemic has spread across the world from China, and most of the victims are the whites. Why? Because the whites have got less immunity as compared to the Asians. Asians fought many illnesses during this period, and they have a high temperature and better resistance level as compared to the people who live in the cold region, especially the Caucasians. So these Caucasians has become the victims, and their death rate and the infection rates are much higher than that of the Asians. At the same time, it is believed that the Chinese government has deliberately spread the virus, which has spread across the world and taken life of many Westerners, and most of them are still in the hospitals and fighting. And in the meantime, the wrath against the Asians, especially the Chinese, has increased, and the people started attacking them. As the world has faced such a crisis, mass crisis one can say, for after long years of typhus, especially the Spanish flu in the early 20th century. So now what happens is that there are two arguments against China. First, believe that the China has deliberately released the virus from the virology laboratory, which develop virus for this biological war for the People's Liberation Army, and they have deliberately released to the rest of the world to teach the world a lesson when the Trump regime has imposed so many sanctions against the many Chinese companies and the Chinese empire as such. These sanctions have irritated China, and China wanted to teach a lesson. In the meantime, with the help or the moral support of American Trump regime, the Indian government has done many things, especially started inviting the investors from China to India. This has again irritated China. So this school of thought believe that, or argue that, so that to contain the world without shooting even a single bullet, China has fought a brilliant war that has chained the cage in the world, and now no one has the time to send any sanction against China. This argument has 80% support, because China, if believe that this virus, as China claims that the virus have actually originated in the marketplace, and it was spread from some kind of bats or animals, in the case most probably pigs, because the Chinese eat a lot of pigs as compared to the rest of the world. Secondly, the Chinese eaten pigs have not been controlled or monitored biologically or in the laboratory for testing its fitness. Such pigs can increase the spreading of any kind of epidemic. Unfortunately, this epidemic, the COVID-19, has become a lethal threat to the world, especially the whites as such, because whites are less immune to such a viral diseases. Even in a night of early 20th century, when the Spanish flu spread, it has been the most infected people were the whites. Why? Because of whites has got a different immune system, because of they live in extreme cold weather. Secondly, their skin has got and their DNA has got a less immunity to such lethal viral strains. However, the people in America refuse to give access to the vaccination against COVID, because they are afraid that if the COVID vaccination has some side effect, it would have impair the speech, the smell, the tongue, taste buds of the tongue of their children. Many people have reportedly complained that they have a impaired speech, impaired taste, and impaired even the vision problems and hearing problems. It has to be addressed by the companies, the medical companies, and the tests, more and more tests has to be taken place. Though 13% of the active people have been completely immunized in America, still Americans have a kind of a revenge against this Chinese, and whenever they get an opportunity, they attack them. This tendency may trigger another racial competition or a racial argument or racial fight. Their anger for being a victim of none of their mistake, and it has been given by the Chinese, and China is not able to give them any kind of a compensation or unable to accept any kind of responsibility, increases the anger of other people. Instead, China has defended, and China even blamed that it was India that has spread this disease to corner India. However, there was no any such disease has been reported in India before it was spread out in the Wuhan city of Wuhan province of China. Besides all these, the medical companies which has developed the vaccination has a very conservative and trying their best to exploit the Copyright Act of each country, and they are trying to make millions out using that. They protect their patent and not giving away to other medical companies to manufacture the medicine, the vaccines, so that the vaccination can be speed up and it can be done faster, and the world will come out of this epidemic, and schools can be reopened and offices can function properly. In such cases, the medical companies to be penalized for using a crisis and an epidemic for the profit making opportunity. This is a highly inhuman, and they have to be penalized. And with this, we are ending this week's IVTNN's Good Morning World. Thank you for watching IVTNN's Good Morning World. Have a nice day.